Today, the colorful rain shadow window lights up the room with color as sunlight streams through translucent sheets and simple shapes. Kids cut out shapes from clear colored plastic, tape them to a window, and watch rain-like shadows form as the sun shifts. Indoors, they sequence colors. Outdoors, a breeze adds movement and new shadows to observe. Parents guide gentle experiments, encourage language as they describe colors, and remind kids to handle scissors safely and reuse materials creatively. This activity boosts curiosity, fine motor skills, and collaborative problem solving through play.